Express yourself in a smart CV. Education TV, sharing knowledge. Drafting a CV, which contents should be considered? The following information should be considered while drafting a CV: title, career summary, career objective, experience, education and training, additional information, personal information and reference. Title. To draw the attention, title will be inserted on the center of the page. The title will include name of the candidate, full address, phone number and email address. Name of the candidate should be bold and in a larger font. Career summary. This section is significant and mostly applicable for the individuals having experiences more than 4 to 5 years. The candidates should express experiences in the maximum 6 to 7 lines and can state the achievement of careers in brief. Career objective. The section is applicable for the fresh candidate or the candidates having little experiences. Career objective includes the immediate goal of career, how the experiences match with the position the applicant applying for, positive skills of the candidate, giving focus on the ways to contribution for the organization and expectation from the company. Experience. This section should come before the educational qualification section. The applicant must state the most recent experience first, mention experience in different phases if he or she had it in the various positions in a same organization, and avoid short and insignificant experience. Education and training. Education and training will remain before experience part. This section contains name of the degrees, duration of course, name of the institutions and board, year of examination and result and achievement if any. If participate in any training program, mention it with the name of the training institute, topic and duration of the training. Additional information. The information that doesn't fit in the mentioned sections but is significant and related with the job must be included in this part. Professional achievement, award, computer skills, language proficiency, voluntary work, etc. can be added in the section. Personal information. To identify the candidate, the various personal information must be included in this section. Parents' name, present and permanent addresses, religion, hobby, etc. should be shared here. Reference. Reference should be closed persons. You must mention 2 to 3 persons as referee and the phone number, address and email address of your referees. It is important to inform your referees that you have included his or her name as referee in your CV.